Goa's renowned businessman Peter Vaz passes away due to COVID-19 infection on Thursday night at a Bangalore-based private hospital. Vaz was an innovative entrepreneur and trusted name in the real estate, construction, hospitality, leisure and football in Goa. Peter Vaz was a patron of sporting club the Goa, a club that has developed a lot of talents and dished out a great brand of football. He was vocal against AIFF for some of their policy decisions that have sidelined the traditional Goan clubs. Chairman of the Dampo Group of Companies, Srinivas Dampo took to social media and said the following: "My friend Peter Vaz gone too soon. A self-made man and first-generation entrepreneur who loved football with a passion. Rest in peace. Goan football will never be the same without you." Goa Forward Party President Vijay Sardesai took to Twitter and expressed his condolences, saddened by Peter Vaz being the latest victim to COVID-19. A self-made, innovative Goikar, entrepreneur and trusted name in real estate, construction, hospitality, leisure and football in Goa. Condolences to the family, friends, more than 1,000 employees and fans of Sporting Club the Goa. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.